Hello friends, today we'll open the Acer Aspire Go 15, AG15-71P. As always, you'll find everything about the laptop in our detailed text review on laptopmedia.com. The link is below the video. Let's go! First, we unscrew 10 screws from the bottom cover of the laptop. We use a Japanese industrial standard number 1 screwdriver. Keep the screws organized so reassembly is easy. With a thin plastic tool, we start releasing the cover clips. Work around the perimeter. Short, gentle twists are safer than prying. This panel is tightly secured, so to avoid breaking a clip, we'll use a few plastic picks and take it slowly. If a clip resists, move a few centimeters and come back. The tension will drop. Here is the laptop with the bottom cover removed. With the bottom cover off, you can see the simple cooling assembly. A single radial fan and a pair of heat pipes feeding a compact fin stack. It is not a high wattage design, but it covers the CPU and power components adequately for this class of machine. Before we get back to the teardown, enjoy this 360-degree spin of the laptop and let us know what you think in the comments. And if you're liking the video, feel free to use this break to hit the subscribe button. Now, before continuing, we'll disconnect the battery cable. We undo the 2 battery screws and remove the pack. The driver here is a JIS number 0. The unit is a 53 watt-hour battery with fast charging support. You can check the result of our battery life test on laptopmedia.com. The link is below the video. Don't forget to visit and see our top 100 laptops with the best battery life ranking page. With the same driver, we undo the SSD's retaining screw. Slide the drive out at about a 15-degree angle. If there's a sticker or pad, peel it back only near the connector and leave the rest in place. You'll find information about the storage speeds and the SSD reliability in the full review on laptopmedia.com. For memory upgrades, the 2 DDR5 slots officially support up to 32 GB at up to 5,200 megatransfers per second. Install 2 identical sticks to enable dual channel. You can check our in-depth review to see the benchmark results. Just like the SSD, the memory stick here is made by Kingston. Wireless is dual-band Wi-Fi 6, 802.11ax with Bluetooth 5.1 or newer. In our case, it's Intel AX101. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and read the full teardown and performance review at laptopmedia.com. The link is under the video.